Got him, boys. Nice beard. Nice birds. Woohoo! Whew, beautiful morning. May 11th. It's a beautiful Thursday morning. I just harvested this 2-beard turkey on Michigan public land. Man, he's a beaut. Look at the spurs. The sun's just coming up. Got out here about 6:30, a little bit late, sat down anyways. Waited about 20 minutes before I hit the call. Was looking. I seen one up in front. So I got ready, waited a couple minutes, hit the call again, and I heard the gobble. He was gobbling 5 times back to back to back, answering me, so I knew he was hooked. Before you know it, like 80 yards, I seen his head coming through, so I got ready. I wish the GoPro wouldn't have fell off the gun when I shot, but it should be on there. Regardless, I gotta thank God for this beautiful morning and opportunity to kill this bird. God, I love hunting. Till next time.